Pisces, this is Guiding Halo. I'm going to do a reading for you. This is how does he feel? This is how does she feel? This is angelic guidance and some clarifiers for the angelic cards. So how does he feel about you? His hopes and or fears, what source thinks he should do, what he's gonna do, and what his outcome is for this whole scenario. For you, this is how you feel. This is your hopes and or fears, what source thinks you should do, what you're gonna do, and your outcome. Okay, let's get started. I'm so excited to find out for you guys. Okay, Pisces, so this is guy Pisces, this is girl Pisces. Let's get it on. Oh, the Tower. Oh, he wasn't expecting you to come along. Or did you bring him a message that totally flipped his lid? Or he can't believe. He's stunned. He's stunned about something. Oh, yeah, he is. You betcha. What's his hopes and or fears? Oh, look at that. He hopes for love. He also fears love in a major way. Perhaps he was hoping to stay single for a long time because he didn't think he was good enough for a relationship. And maybe his fears are having that love. Oh, perhaps you just being in his life is a Tower moment. He wasn't expecting that. Oh, snapperdoodles. Dang, girls. Maybe he created that Tower moment for you. Maybe that Tower moment was him saying, nuh-uh, ain't happening. Hence hopes and or fears. Let's see what source thinks he should do. Aw, look at that. Source thinks he should tell the truth of his heart. This is a continuing message for Pisces over this whole last month and a half. Oh my goodness. Share your feelings, Pisces gents. Come on, that's what Source wants you to do. We know that you men are very deep men. Yes, we do. We know that when you feel, it goes very deep, and we know it brings fear. So that's what Source thinks he should do. Let's see what he's gonna do. Oh, maybe he's going to offer you an ace, and maybe he's going to come in offering you money because it's the best he can do. Ace of Pentacles. What's he going to do? He's going to take a gift from Source. He's going to get a gift from Source. He's going to give a gift to you. What is he going to do? He's going to offer you something that has to do with money. Source thinks he should just tell his feelings, but he's going to come across and offer you money. That's what he's going to do. Or some sort of offer that's tangible in the 3D. Not emotions. Something tangible in the 3D that you can taste, smell, touch, feel. In the palm of your hands, okay? What's his outcome? What does he want in his heart? What's he want? Oh, he wants unity. He has traditional viewpoints or methods, spiritual organizations. I wonder if your guys' spiritual beliefs differ. Seek out mentors and like-minded friends. He's a very traditional person. Perhaps he's involved in a spiritual organization. Perhaps you two don't run in the same circles, or maybe you do and you met. But man, he wants unity. Oh, yes, he does. That's his outcome of this whole scenario. That's what he's after. So if he's telling you he's not got feelings, I'm telling you right now, any Pisces man that offers you his money, he takes his money seriously. Oh, yes, they do. If he's offering you money, I guarantee it's followed by emotion. Look at the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. And he wants unity. He wasn't expecting you to come in his life. Oh, no, he wasn't. No. Nope, he was not. All right, let's look at the Pisces ladies. All right, so this is the person you're dealing with, Pisces ladies. Doesn't have to be a Pisces man, okay? But this is for Pisces ladies now. Let's see how you look at him. Ooh, transformation. Okay, I'm going to continue on. What's the hopes or fears of your scenario? Oh, has he been in hermit mode? Oh, do you fear him staying in it forever? Or has this sent you into hermit mode because he's come to you? Oh, if you're a Pisces lady, oh, did something end? Did someone end something with you and it sent you into hermit mode? This is the Virgo card and Scorpio. Is the person you're dealing with a Scorpio, ladies? This is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I don't know what the Tower represents. I apologize. Oh man, your hopes and or fears is that he's going to be in hermit mode forever. Do you feel like this is over? Are you thinking that going into hermit mode, maybe your hopes is a Virgo? Is this a Virgo man for you, ladies? Are you hoping that if he's in hermit mode, it'll bring clarity and change the scenario? Let's find out what source thinks you should do. Oh, end of a cycle and start a new one. Are you hoping to the end of this whole death in hermit mode thing? Are you hoping to start something new with this man? Source thinks that you should end whatever cycle's been going on. Not end the relationship. Okay, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is end the torment of the cycle of what's been going on. Perhaps you need to go to this person and speak your truth. Perhaps you need to put more emotion into it, although I don't see much emotion here other than the death card. Maybe you need to die to self. Die to your old ways and start something new. What are you going to do? Oh, yes, you are going to take on Knight of Swords. Look at you going in with a message fast and furious. Hence this dude's tower moment. Go, okay, Pisces. Gentle, gentle, breathe, gentle. Even if you're angry, you must come at this person with gentleness. Gentle, be gentle. Okay, let's see what your outcome is, darlings. The High Priestess. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, that's you, ladies. You bet it is, Pisces ladies. Listen to your intuition. Have patience. Have patience. It's hard to have patience. I know you guys feel so deeply. Consider carefully what you want before acting. Hence the hermit mode, hey? Are you afraid that you've been in hermit mode too long and might lose this man? I'm sorry, someone's messaging me. Might lose this man? Is that what your fear is? Something tells me that ain't happening, because his outcome is unity. Yeah, definitely. Huh. I wonder what this message is you're going to bring in. I'm going to pull a clarifier on the death card and also a couple on there. I should probably pull a clarifier on this side too with the Tower. Let's pull some clarifiers. We'll start over here. I should have done this beforehand. I apologize. All right. Give me some clarifiers on this Tower card, please. Let's have clarifiers. Oh, I don't do cards in reverse. Sorry. Clarity. You are going to bring a message that is going to bring this man clarity, or he's going to bring you clarity. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he is. Oh, maybe he already did. He wants unity, and you're like, what the beep? That's my way of, you know, keeping it general. LOL. LOL. I just said LOL. Oh, why are these coming? Oh, I got the deck upside down. That helps. So, wants to move away from troubling waters to smooth waters. You have been very troubled, obviously. Let's pull a card of clarification on this Ace of Pence. Oh, it's a creative offer. Something small might come to you in a text message, but it's a new idea of maybe how you can move forward that's more genteel to bring unity about. Let's find out about your side here. What is this death card about, please? Oh, that was fast. Oh, someone gave you a truth. Oh, and they weren't gentle about it. Oh, snap. Yeah, he brought you a tower moment, didn't he, Pisces? Or you brought him. I'd say he had, or he brought you a tower moment, and it like made you think it was over. You know what's interesting is we have the Page of Swords here. Something tells me that this Page of Swords, he even actually softened the blow by coming in as a Page of Swords, but it still affected you very deeply. This could be a Aries, Libra, or Gemini. We got a lot of swords going on here. Definite, and you are going to come across as the swords and give him, what, a piece of his own medicine, maybe? Is that what you're thinking, Pisces? Give me some clarification on this Hermit card, if we need some. Hermit card. Oh, there's one. Oh, you're manifesting, are you? Behind the scenes, waiting for your ships to come in. Yeah, something tells me you got this on lock. You got a plan, don't you? Tell me about this, the World card and the cycle, beginning of a new one. Oh, I think this Pisces woman here is going to speak her mind. It's going to blow someone's mind that you're coming in to speak your mind, but look at the outcome for you. That's what he wants anyway. What do you want? Oh, did you turn down an offer and it killed you to do it? Maybe you didn't even see the offer as realistic. It's like, get a grip. I'm not paying attention to that crap. It's Four of Cups. This person is aloof. Not gonna worry about it. Doesn't think it's serious. Maybe doesn't even see it. Too focused on other things. What's the end of the cycle? What's the new? What's the beginning? Oh, messages. Yep, you're sending messages out. You're going to send him messages. Either that or you're flying somewhere to go see him. Or even coming from the next town. Or maybe it's even across town with a very fast, ferocious message, I might add. What's this message about for the Pisces lady? The Wheel of Fortune. Oh, you guys. You've done the work. The Wheel of Fortune is spinning in your favor. This is karmic justice. This is your destiny. I would say so. Give me another card, please. Give me, maybe Source has been trying to get you to go speak your mind and your feelings a little more. Oh, look at that. You want to come in like this. Oh, yeah, that's what you want to do. But you're going to soft and genteel. Pisces, you're beautiful. You're beautiful people. You're going to soft and genteel and go off from the Page of Pentacles. And look at the results for you. Ah, I'm so happy for you, Pisces ladies and Pisces gents. Ah, that's so nice. Let's look at this angel messages and see what we got. You deserve the best. Reach for the stars with your dreams and desires and don't compromise. Oh, that's beautiful. Definitely tell your truth. Walk into your life and live your truth. Present, front, utmost, first, like front and center every day. You must do that. Oh, whoa, look at that. The Empress card is coming out to clarify this. We get the High Priestess. Did I say the Empress before? Oh my gosh, I think I did. The High Priestess. This is your intuition telling you all about this. Oh, now I feel so silly. I got that wrong, I think. Anyways, the High Priestess here. So this is the High Priestess, and your intuition is filling you in on all of this. And oh man, Pisces. You listen to your intuition. You guys are on point with your intuition. Yeah, usually you are. Oh, and look at that. Commitment. Pisces, are you looking for commitment or what? Pisces gents and Pisces ladies, whoever you're dealing with, this is serious business. Yeah, it is. Ooh, and it's been a battle, but someone's going to end the battle. Someone's going to make a big offer. Someone's making a little offer, but I definitely find for the Pisces men and the Pisces ladies that whoever you're dealing with, you are definitely going to come together and work on this, regardless of what the outcome ends up being. That's beautiful. What a beautiful reading. Remember, the Sun card is here, shedding clarity on things. Maybe this is about children. I don't know. Got the Empress here, very pregnant woman, ready for, to create and to build. Oh, someone coming in with a cup of love. Could be a Pisces. This is a Pisces card in general. It also could be that you feel like something's a little fishy about an emotional offer that's been given. Hanged Man, there's another Pisces card. Okay, one of y'alls is dealing with Pisces. I got the Empress here, that's Pisces. I got, oh, yeah, I'm just saying. Pisces all over the place. Look at that. We got the Empress is a 3 card. We have a 3 card here. Do we have any other 3 cards? We got 2 3 cards. Look up the number 33 and go have a look and see what that's all about, darlings. Just saying. Oh, we got a number 2. We have a 5 and a 5. And, oh, we got 3 5s. Oh, this is wicked change coming your guys' way. 5 5 5. Oh man, that's massive change coming your guys' way. That's beautiful. I'm so happy for you, Pisces. Congratulations. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you guys. I hope this reading resonates with someone out there. Blessings. Talk to you later.